have started our syllabus related to electronics of SYBSc class, and in that we have covered superposition theorem. Today we are going to solve one of the problem based on superposition theorem. And what is that problem? Problem is that using superposition theorem, find the current passing through 3 ohm resistance of the following circuit, and one circuit is given. What is the problem? Using superposition theorem, find the current passing through 3 ohm resistance of the following circuit. A circuit is given. This is a linear bilateral circuit. It consists of two sources, E1 voltage sources and E2. E1 value is given as 12 volt and E2 value is given as 6 volt. Then there are three resistances which given 4 ohm, 5 ohm and 3 ohm. Now we will start to solve this problem. We know that according to superposition theorem, when we have to consider the contribution due to one of the source, then other source should be shut off. So we have to short this 6 volt in a first step. So in a first step, we will in order to in order to see or calculate the effect of 10 12 volt, we will short 6 volt battery EMF. 6 volt EMF source will be shortened. Now, because of this, what will happen? We will remove this in the first step. So, our circuit will become like this. Now, we have to calculate 3 points. First of all, we will calculate equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance of this circuit due to this 12 volt battery. We have to calculate equivalent resistance due to this 12 volt battery. How to calculate this equivalent resistance? This equivalent resistance R will be equal to R1, that is 4 ohm, plus it is addition of, because it is a series circuit, addition of 4 ohm plus R3, addition of R3 and R2. But R3 and R2 are parallel to each other. That is 3 ohm resistance and 5 ohm resistance are parallel to each other. And to them we have to add in order to get equivalent resistance due to this 12 volt. And we know that in case of parallel circuit, the resultant resistance is given by 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Therefore, this will become 4 plus 1, 4 plus R1 R2, that is 3 into 5 divided by 3 plus 5. So, this will give us value 4 plus 15 divided by 8, and on solving this we will get its value as 5.87 ohm. This is the value of equivalent resistance that we obtained for the 12 volt. Now next step is we have to calculate its current. We have to calculate its current. How to calculate current? We know that current in a circuit due to this 12 volt battery or the source E1 is equal to V upon R. V is nothing but the voltage, and that voltage is given as 12 volt divided by R. R is nothing but the equivalent resistance of the circuit, and its value we have calculated as 5.87. On solving this, you will obtain the value of I as 2.04 angstrom. You can solve this in your book and cross check the same. It means that initially we have calculated equivalent resistance R. It comes out as 5.87 ohm, and after that we have calculated the current due to this 12 volt battery, and its value comes out as 2.04 angstrom. Now the third and last step related to first 12 volt battery circuit is we have to calculate the current passing through 3 ohm resistance. We have to calculate the current passing through 3 ohm resistance. So here I will calculate the current passing through 3 ohm resistance is named as I1. It's named as I1. So value of I1 is equal to I into I into this circuit, I into R3 upon R2 plus R3. This will be the value of I1 in case of this circuit. What will be the value of I1? I1 value is given by the formula I into, that is the total current due to 12 volt battery, into R3 divided by R2 plus R3. Therefore, substituting value, we have just now calculated the value of I as 2.04 into, we have to substitute the value of R3. R3 is given as 5 ohm divided by 3 ohm plus 5 ohm is equal to 8 ohm. 2.04 into 5 divided by 8. And this will give us the value of I1 as 1.27 angstrom ampere. Its value is 1.27 ampere. And this is the value of current flowing through 3 ohm resistance due to the source E1. Now same we have to calculate, that is we have to calculate equivalent resistance, we have to calculate the current flowing through the circuit, and we have to calculate the current flowing through the resistance for 6 volt battery. Now, in order to calculate the current flowing through 6 volt battery, we have to short circuit the 12 volt battery as per the superposition theorem, because we have to consider one loop at a time. Therefore, we will short the this 12 volt battery. Now, again we will calculate first the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Equivalent resistance of the circuit. So R is equal to, what is value of R? R is equal to 5 ohm plus these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. So 4 parallel to 3. And we know that these resistances, if they are parallel, their value is given by 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 3. So this will give us value 5 plus 12 upon 7, and its value comes out as 6.71 ohm. 6.71 ohm. So procedure is same. The thing that we have calculated in case of 12 volt, we have to calculate again for 6 volt, and we have obtained equivalent resistance of or due to 6 volt battery as R is equal to 6.71 ohm. Now second step is we will calculate the current. Now we know that current is nothing but V upon R. Just now we have calculated the R value. So V is given as 6 volt divided by R is given as 6. We have calculated R as 6.71 ohm, and it gives us the value of I as 0.89 ampere. 0.89 ampere is the value of current due to this 6 volt battery. Now the last point related to 6 volt battery is the calculating the value of amount of current flowing through resistance due to this 6 volt battery. And in order to calculate it, we have to write the formula. I2 is equal to I into this. I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. That is, substitute value of I we have calculated as 0.89 ampere into R1. R1 value is nothing but 4 ohm divided by R1 plus R2 means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 0.89 plus 4 divided by 7, and value of I2 comes out as 0.508 angstrom. 0.508 angstrom. What is the value of I2? Value of I2 is equal to 0.508 ampere. So now the last step is we have to calculate the total resistance here, and we have to find the current passing through 3 ohm resistance of the circuit by using superposition theorem. So we have to add the current due to E1 and current due to E2. The current value due to E1 is come out as I1 is equal to 1.27, and the current value due to 6 volt battery is comes out as 0.58 ampere. So the total current will be I1 plus I2 is equal to 1.27 plus 0.508, and its value comes out as 1.778 ampere. And this is our final answer. That is 1.778 ampere current will flow through the 3 ohm resistance by using superposition theorem.